So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can automatically disable the touchpad of your laptops once you are connected to the Bluetooth mouse or wired mouses, so that the mistouch will prevent it. Now, in order to do it, just simply open the settings of your device. Now, under here, click on this option of Bluetooth and device. Now, expand this option of touchpad. Once you expand it here, you need to scroll down until you see this option of more touchpad settings. Click over there, and here just simply click on this option of touchpad. Under here you simply need to uncheck this mark of leave touchpad on when a mouse is connected. Just simply uncheck it and you'll notice that once your mouse is connected, your touchpad will stop working. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.